when cutting, you want to produce a claw. Think of it like a giant bear claw. You just kind of set it, kind of rest your blade up against it, as you can see that. Nice and perfect. And then as you're chopping, you're just gonna keep on just resting it against your knuckle. Take the knife, I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna take it with my right hand and just kind of place it gently against my knuckle. As long as it's on your knuckle, you will never cut yourself. You don't have to look because your knuckle is guiding it directly where it wants to be. As long as it's pushed up against your knuckle and your finger is tucked in, you're not gonna cut yourself. If you wanna get used to it a little bit, just do it upside down first. Just to get used to that. So that way, if you did slip out, you don't have to worry about that. Just get used to that motion. Just rubbing, rubbing, rubbing. The good thing about this claw is no matter what you're prepping, you can apply it to it. If it's a watermelon, open it more. If it's that garlic, smaller. Pinch claw, it's like a pinch now. Crucial part of that claw, you see that's tucked in. You see you got nice straight down, and then once you get to that first knuckle, it tucks in. As long as it's tucked in, you will never have an accident in the kitchen, I promise you. You got this, your knife skills are gonna be top notch.